In this video, we're diving into how to create and use workflow variables in Process.st. If you're new to Process.st, you're in the right place. This feature is incredibly powerful for automating and customizing workflows, making your processes smoother and more efficient. Workflow variables in Process.st allow you to personalize and dynamically adjust workflows based on data input, making them more flexible and adaptive. You can create variables that act like placeholders for information, which will automatically update across your workflow when filled. This saves time and ensures consistency. To start, you'll need to open your Process.st account and create or select an existing workflow. Once inside the workflow editor, look for the Variables tab in the right sidebar. Here's where the magic happens. You can define a new variable by clicking on the Create Variable button. You'll be asked to give your variable a name, make it something descriptive like client name or due date, and choose the type of variable such as text, number, date, or dropdown. Variables are super helpful when you need the same data to appear in multiple places within your workflow. For example, let's say you're managing a project with multiple tasks. If you set a variable for the project's client name, you can use this variable in different parts of the workflow without needing to manually update it each time. You input it once, and it gets automatically updated everywhere it's referenced. Next, we'll take a look at how to use these variables in your tasks. Inside any task, you can add a variable by typing mokgenko to bring up a list of your defined variables. You can easily insert them into checklists, descriptions, or even in comments. When your team fills in a variable field, the data will be dynamically populated throughout the workflow. This feature is a game changer for teams managing recurring processes, like client onboarding or content creation. It reduces the chances of human error and ensures that every step reflects the most current data. Plus, it streamlines collaboration. Everyone working on the workflow will see the same data, eliminating confusion and miscommunication. What makes workflow variables even more powerful is their ability to be used in conditional logic. This means you can set up different paths in your workflow depending on the values of your variables. For example, if a project's budget is above a certain amount, you can automatically trigger a more complex task list. It's automation that adapts to the unique details of your workflow. One of the best things about Process.st is that you can use workflow variables without any coding knowledge. It's all about setting up the logic within the platform, which makes it easy for both beginners and experienced users to implement. If you're excited to try out workflow variables and all the powerful features of Process.st, I've got great news. You can access this tool completely free through the first link in the description, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get an extended free trial to explore all the premium features that Process.st offers. Now that you know how to create and use workflow variables, you're ready to supercharge your processes. Don't forget to check out the link below to get started with your extended free trial. Trust me, once you start using workflow variables, you won't want to go back. Thanks for watching, and good luck automating your workflows with Process.st.